We're in Florida at VanFest, a huge van life festival, having the time of our lives.
Honestly, we had so much fun that we barely remembered to turn on the camera. But here's the raw, uncut version. That'll give you a pretty good idea of the trouble we got ourselves into. We just got back from yoga and noticed this fine. Some sort of violation.
Oh man, partying on the roof.
Woo-hoo!
Yeah.
We just checked into VanFest and we've got to find out where we're going to park for the next few days.
Man, it is already packed and it's a Thursday night.
Wow.
And this is like really different.
Oops. We didn't feel like we were getting here late, but now all of a sudden I feel like I've got FOMO.
Hey!
There is nothing like showing up to VanFest and again accidentally parking near your friends. I love it.
Hello.
So good to see you. I know.
We saw it was your birthday. Oh, that's perfect.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, we wrapped it special.
What is that?
Special brown
What
bag.
is this, you guys?
Maybe he'll remember, maybe he won't.
It was your favorite thing last
They
year.
brought this all the way from Illinois for my birthday.
Favorite
Oh
thing
my gosh. No
last
way.
year.
Oh my gosh, you
It's
guys.
cinnamon flavored whiskey. It tastes like Red Hots.
Yes,
Yep.
it's amazing.
Oh, thank you guys.
Oh, guys, thank you guys.
The fun starts now. After catching up with our friends, the cold of the night quickly set in, and we were on the lookout for a good campfire.
No. Yeah, now if you were doing the Olympics.
It's a little cold.
Oh. I'm feeling that.
I might
That
be able to
fire's
carry it
hot
with the
now.
cover, but we could just leave it with it. No, he doesn't.
See any? No, it's just dirt.
Was Steve and Audra trying to stay right on our bumper so they
We're trying
can
to
use
stay
our
warm
Starlight?
over here. Trying to stay warm. Yeah. I don't know if I can see it.
Like 38 degrees. Man, that's the coldest it's ever been for VanFest. But happy to be here.
And it is supposed to warm up, so we're so excited about this weekend.
Oh yeah. Oh, but first we gotta get some free coffee.
Free coffee.
We're on the search for the Florida Vanlife Gathering group because we heard they were giving out some great free coffee.
Yeah, all right. So this is the Cuban coffee. This is cocoa.
Oh, look at that. It's steaming.
This is where we learn we need either a sleeper bag or electric blanket.
A run of things.
A good cup of coffee is best enjoyed outside, in nature, and among friends. We were telling them you were interested in their van.
Yeah, it's okay if I take a picture, right?
Sure. Oh, absolutely.
Yeah, I was just telling my neighbor.
What are you doing over here?
I don't know. What are you doing over here? How'd you get your camera already? We're on these oven vans, babe. Oh no. I always do that. We're at VanFest, baby. Woo! How's that?
The first full day of VanFest is only open to campers, so we spent the day relaxing and reconnecting with friends because the next couple of days are open to the public and we'll soon be busy meeting lots of new people and showing off our van. Is it 5 o'clock?
Yeah, we gotta crack this open and see what it tastes like. Alright, here we go. We're cracking it open. Hey!
Cheers, guys.
Cheers! Thank you guys so much.
Thank you.
Cheers to friends.
Yes.
Friends and adventure.
That's right. Woohoo! Oh, James actually shot it.
I can't shoot it though.
Now you tell
You told
him.
me it was supposed to be a shot.
I did call it a shot. I'm sorry.
I'm shooting it overtime. Wow, that is spicy.
And the entertainment kept us going all night with a dog costume parade and amazing live music.
What is this?
Homemade cookies. You like it?
Happy birthday, Paul.
Thank you, thank you.
Birthday, Paul. I better walk.
Sarah, over here.
So verdict, how many vans would you give it?
Nice hat.
6 vans.
Here we go.
Yoga was a great choice this morning. We're welcoming a great big fun day ahead. Since it's Saturday, the very first day this event is open to the public.
So what do you think?
Every time. See a nice towel, I can't help myself.
I know, put a turtle on it.
You can never have too many towels.
When you live in a van, you maybe can have too many towels.
Yeah.
But
These are so
today there's an excitement in the air. We pretty much stay close to our van all day so we can meet with all the wonderful people coming to this event for the van tours. And we met a lot of really great people, some that have been following our adventures for years. What an honor it is to meet you guys outside of the YouTube world. And how cool is that? All of our friends are up on stage running the panels and workshops.
But we just try to be smart, really being aware of what's around.
The workshops are especially helpful for the new van lifers.
Ever tried to take a huge group photo? It's quite the task.
You left them on the table.
This year, the unofficial communal fire was at Gray and Grumpy's van. And of course, because we were making friends, the fire got bigger every night. And it was a blast, ending each night with all of our friends.
After the live music, we danced at the silent party, and I ended up being the DJ into the night. Morning.
Morning.
Gotta love these mornings at VanFest. They're the best.
beautiful place, surrounded by beautiful.
Oh no, what is that?
What? We just got back from yoga and noticed this fine. Some sort of violation.
Oh man.
I didn't think this was possible at VanFest. What did we get? To Paul and Sarah, PS Adventures, issued by, wait a minute, it says it's issued by Boomer. Is that our friend Lance? The offense. Paul is over the cute limit.
Oh boy. You know, I've never got a ticket for being so cute.
Sarah is exceeding the selfie limit. And some inappropriate dance moves. And also excessive texting. I have not even been on my phone, but I definitely had some dance moves last night. That's hilarious. Thanks, Boomer, for the ticket. Aww.
He's a little rescue. I was like, no, we stayed there for like 30 or 40 minutes just playing a bunch of other.
That was good.
And then finally we're out there.
My favorite. Did you just hit your head?
I did. I do that all the time.
One of my favorite parts about VanFest and Vanlife festivals is exploring other layouts of vans. And seriously, I love this one. Our friend Zim USA built this one, and it is awesome. I mean, look, I can sit over here, I could sit on a stool, I could sit on the bed, and I could sit the seat behind you. It's nuts how much seating is in here. And a whole stove. I don't want to open it. It might be baking bread for all I know. It's beautiful. Maybe one day we'll have a different layout and we get ideas. So I absolutely love it.
Wow. Beautiful job, you guys.
Thank you.
Love it.
You did a great job.
Yeah.
Now let's go find some more cool rigs.
Whoa.
There's some really interesting builds here, like this souped up Ford Connect.
We can change colors.
This huge box truck was so cool.
Whoa, it's amazing how much more room a bus has. I mean, huge amount of space. We could dance in here. Hey, look what we found.
We found you.
We found some more friends.
In the wild, Steve and Audra.
In the Florida wild. Hey.
Have you ever been on the roof of a van?
I have not. This is my first time.
All right.
I'm excited.
It's a nice view up here.
I bet. And the sun's starting to set. All right, here we go.
All right.
So
Just
what do
hold
I
on to
wanna grab
this, and then one step at a time. You made it. Good job.
Yes.
What do you think of this view?
Oh my gosh, let me see. You'll be able to see everything.
I know we get almost like partying on the roof.
Woohoo! Yeah,
VanFest 2026.
that's right. VanFest.
I have Audra on the roof. Unbelievable.
Awesome.
How you doing down there, Sarah?
Hey, I'm hanging out. You guys look great up there. This is gorgeous.
All right, so we have a couple prizes. We're going to do 2 categories.
Congratulations.
Wow. Well deserved. Beautiful.
And streusel bread and banana bread.
And then we tried line dancing for the very first time. And I think our Latin dancing background may have helped us a little here.
It was so much fun. Let's do it again.
A little bit louder now.
Are we speeding up? Oh, I can't go any faster. I don't want to go. I don't want to leave.
I don't want to grow up.
You too. See you later.
They're so sweet. And we're seeing him next month at Peace Love Van. Oh. Meanwhile, I gotta get all these ants off. I just got bit and I sure enough stepped in an ant pile. Oh my.
To be continued. See you later.
Bye guys.
Bye.
See you next time.
Nice seeing you guys.
Great to see you. Follow that van.
Another great VanFest in the books.
Yep, I love it every year. It's the best.
If you liked this video, make sure you check out our very first VanFest ever.
Adventures, you guys inspire us.
Or that time it rained cats and dogs at Peace Love Vans.
It is coming down now.
Or when we joined hundreds of skoolies in Florida. We'll put the links to these down in the video description so you can easily find them. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure.
Yeah.